evening to you. And I'm really happy that we are having this conversation. I'm really happy with my decision to have these little conversations that can empower you a lot. So, since I have been answering questions on social media, a lot of skin and hair questions get asked on social media. So many questions on retinol have been getting asked on social media, and I decided last week itself that I will show up at least for 10 to 15 minutes on Instagram on this page, I Love Skin Sense. I have decided to show up every week, and I am going to answer a question which people have been asking me on internet. People have been sending messages and asking me. So I am going to answer that questions because I know that question and many such similar questions are on the minds of many people, and by answering it I will be able to add value to a lot more people. So today's generation, today's era is about using the power of leverage, and I'm super happy to be using this platform and having this elite audience so that I can use the power of leverage to complete my mission. My mission is to educate, empower, and to transform you to be the best version of yourself, to use the power of your personality positively to be awesome inside out. Today's 10-minute conversation is to understand a little more about retinol, and one of the reasons I have started this series, or rather the most important reason I have started this series, is I realized that half knowledge can be really dangerous. So if you agree with me, give me a thumbs up. So today there is an overdose of knowledge. Overdose of knowledge is overwhelming. Yes, that's absolutely true. But then this overdose of knowledge is in bits and patches. People know one part of the equation, but they do not know the whole equation. And with half knowledge, somehow in areas of skincare and hair care, people tend to get carried away and take some silly decisions. So, I'm sorry for using some strong words, but then that is the emotion I feel. I feel sorry for people because they are wasting their time and money, and more important, not just wasting their time and money, they are getting hassled because they're not getting the results that they desire and they deserve. Despite investing time and money both, if you're not getting the result, you may feel a little frustrated. You may start believing that nothing works for me, and this is something that I want to strongly get out of your minds, because that is something that makes me believe that is a very disempowering way of looking at life. The statement that nothing works for me, this does not have any solution, or rather people don't tend to believe this does not have any solution. They more tend to believe that I don't have a solution to my problem, and I think that thought is one of the main thoughts that I want to fight against. And my little way to fight against that thought is to empower you with complete knowledge, to empower you with responsible knowledge. So we use so many words when we use the word knowledge, but I think one word that we need to use more than ever in this era is responsible knowledge, because knowledge is being shared extremely irresponsibly. So I am happy and I am proud to share responsible knowledge with you, knowledge that comes out of over 11 years of experience. Yes, of course, the degree is important, the textbooks are important, the hours of slogging over years of knowledge is important, but then knowledge combined with wisdom, that is a game changer. And after completing a decade in working with men and women, listening to their needs, desires, problems, listening to their outlook to beauty, listening to the amount of time and money they wish to invest in enhancing the power of their personality. So then thankfully Thanks to all of your feedback, your authentic sharings, sharing your breakdowns, sharing your highs. Yes, sharing your highs is also so beautiful, because we have over 6,000 clients, and we have over 600 5-star Google reviews. You know, in the field of aesthetics, it is not easy to get a review. Many people don't even enjoy sharing what they're doing, but we are so happy to be blessed with generous clients who are so comfortable giving us reviews about their experience at SkinSense. And it is through the reviews that I have learned a lot. And yes, I have learned a lot from the failures too, from the clients who have failed to comply because they probably found the regime too elaborate, they probably found the regime too expensive, probably they couldn't travel to make those regular sessions to the clinic. So each of the breakdowns has taught me to powerfully deal with the changing times, with the changing needs. Today we have online consultations, we have a team of doctors who can talk to you on phone and who can home deliver products right to your doorstep. Isn't that amazing? So I'm loving sharing this story with you, though what I'm sharing is not about retinol, but I think I have a lot of entrepreneurs who follow me. I have a lot of entrepreneurs who also ask me entrepreneurial questions. So then, talking about things that have worked for me, like somewhere I read that talk about your stories. It could be somebody's survival guide, and I so believe it is true, because I have read books, autobiographies of people who have faced challenges but who have emerged victorious. I have friends who are probably 10 times or even 100 times bigger than me, but then they have been magnanimous enough to share their stories with me. And it is through the storytelling that there have been some shifts that have happened in my mind, and I have been able to evolve into a person who does not get scared by circumstances, who is accepting of circumstances, but still circumstances, however terrible, do not paralyze me. I can keep an action in spite of any kind of challenges, and that is the learning I have got from so many stories. And hence I feel entitled to probably, eat into your time, the time that you're sharing with me for scientific knowledge. Eat into your time and share a little bit of my story, because you never know when it could be whose survival guide. So if you find these things inspiring, if you find these things interesting, useful, I would request you to share them, because you never know. Like we say, keep smiling. You don't know who's getting happy watching you smile. So, there are little things which you think do not matter, but then they might matter in the long run. If you think about it, maybe somebody could tell you someday that I felt really happy, or I feel really happy when I see you smile. So some things we take for granted that make a lot of difference in people's life and in people's world. Thank you for Skin Secrets for joining, and thank you for regularly joining to listen to these knowledge nuggets. Today we are talking about retinol, and we are going to be talking just about 3 things that you must know about retinol. These conversations are going to be short and sweet, but they're going to be empowering. Those who have listened to my conversations, if you're a part of my YouTube channel, you definitely know that my conversations are not run of the mill. I'm definitely not talking about what everybody else is talking, what you already know. Probably my conversations could even be confrontational, but then the intention is clear. The intention is to empower you to take the right action and to get the results you desire and you deserve. So retinol is a vitamin A derivative. Retinol is something that is spoken about quite a bit, especially in people who are looking at anti-aging. People are looking at anti-aging from the age of 30 onwards. Yes, today I shared a post on my Facebook page that said that from the age of 30, you start losing collagen from your body. So then the earlier you start taking care of your skin, the better results you get. Obviously, we all know from school times that prevention is better than cure. So then start your retinols really early. as young as 30 years, because in a decade from 30, when you're 40 years old, you may start seeing changes in your skin that you do not love. You may start seeing certain aging signs in your skin, and if you start retinol on time, you will be able to keep those aging signs to minimum. Sumit, I think we will take this offline. I would love to connect with you and understand what grand plans you have in mind, because I know when Sumit does anything, he does it grand, and I'm so happy that I get to hear this from you, and I shall definitely connect with you offline. But right now the conversation is about retinol, and we will stay there. So one thing I said is you can start a retinol as young as 30 years old. The second thing I want to tell you is that yes, retinol is a wonderful agent to keep the skin young and supple. It has multiple benefits, but the best benefit is it enhances collagen protection. So rather than using very fancy, very expensive creams, I think everybody must give a try to retinol. It is a night cream, and it is a night cream which is cost effective, which is globally proven, works on most skin types, and definitely can improve certain signs of aging, definitely can improve the health of the skin. So personally, I am pretty fond of retinol, and also as an aesthetic expert, as a skin sense doctor, one of the skin sense doctors, we prescribe a lot of retinol, and we get a lot of good reviews for retinol. Retinol and tretinoin are two different products, though both are vitamin A derivatives. So today I'm just clearing certain things. One of the questions answered is what is the right age to begin. The second question which I commonly get asked is tretinoin and retinol the same? No, tretinoin and retinol is not the same. So then, though both of them are vitamin A derivatives, both of them have a very different kind of irritation quotient. So then I would prefer a retinol, because I would like to find the right balance between effect and irritation, whereas a tretinoin can be quite irritating. So it's not one of my favorite products, but yes, it is a very popular product. You can talk to a doctor and you can decide what suits you better, a tretinoin or a retinol. Even though I share such a lot of information, in fact, I look forward to sharing information every day. In fact, it's one sharing information every day and getting a feedback from somebody every single day that yes, they tried what I shared with them and it did make a difference to them. I think that's where my energy comes from, that's where my inspiration comes from. But despite sharing information every day, this information is only to give you a sense of direction. This information is definitely not to tell you to self-medicate. I mean, why would you self-medicate when there is somebody with so many years of knowledge and wisdom? So all that it may cost you is some time, because today Skin Sense is offering free consultations, especially the telephonic variety, because the situation is such that I think so many people, especially doctors, are doing their bit to support everybody who wants solutions in health and wellness. And I think there is an extreme need to spread some kind of cheer, to spread some kind of feel good. So one thing you get is a free consultation, and when you have the benefit of talking to a Skin Sense doctor and getting your questions answered by an expert who has years of experience in beauty medicine, why would you want to self-medicate? Because how much ever knowledge you gather from here and there, the knowledge you would have will be less as compared to somebody who lives this day in and day out. So I would humbly request you to, give away the thought of I can do it myself. Yes, there are things there. DIY is a fun thing, but DIY is not the most effective thing that you could do. So I would humbly tell you that surrender to experts. Yes, as a medical expert, I would tell you, you must surrender to medical experts. But even otherwise, I think even maybe it comes to technology, maybe it comes to something else. So I love to surrender to experts, and since I have developed the mindset to engage with experts, to understand the best practices and to implement them, I have seen my results go up the roof in all areas of life, and I think that it's a habit which has worked for me, and I would want you to consider that. So before you buy your retinol, I would be very happy if you do not buy it over the counter, if you do not buy it from a non-pharmaceutical brand, but buy it from a pharmaceutical brand, because yes, pharma grade retinol is very different from an OTC retinol, and OTC is an over the counter product. Over the counter products generally do not have the permission to use high concentration of actives, which a pharma company has a license to use a high concentration of active. So I would definitely say that all the transformational results that we have been able to produce has always been with pharma grade retinol. And my strong message to you is, if you are considering trying retinol, consider a pharma grade retinol. Now people often ask me, can you suggest a name? People often ask me, can you tell me a percentage of retinol? Is 0.5 better? Is 1% better? Is 0.25% better? I keep getting these questions, and I keep getting these questions out of context. Your questions are welcome, but I will be able to answer your questions only after I ask you a couple of questions, because I strongly believe one size does not fit all. I always say that there is no good product. It is about a right product, and the right product is a product which is a perfect fit for your needs, your desires, and your problems. And that is exactly what an aesthetic expert, a wellness doctor, a dermatologist has to keep in mind before the dermatologist prescribes the right percentage of retinol for you. So wishing that you find the right night cream for yourself. Maybe it is a retinol. For most people, retinol may be a good place to start. Retinol may be an easy place to start, and retinol may be a value for money place to start. But then buy the right concentration of retinol, because when you're investing your time and money, when you're beginning a journey with some kind of desire in mind, I want you to be delighted, and it's easy to be delighted by understanding the small nuances of the product. Just understanding a broad based understanding of a product, that retinol is a good product. Just knowing this much is half knowledge, and you know where we started, half knowledge is dangerous. I hope there was something that opened up for you in this conversation, and I'll be very glad to hear your questions, to answer them in depth, and make a real difference in areas of wellness and beauty of your life, to make a difference in certain mindsets that you have been living with, which probably have been preventing you from living life fully. I'll be very, very happy if I can make a difference in any of those. So I will be here again tomorrow, maybe around 9:15. Just 10 minutes, you and me can spend time together, and you and me can discuss some question that somebody asked me probably during the day tomorrow or on mail tomorrow, and a question which I believe will make a difference to a lot of people. If you have any questions and you think that it's really important that I answer that question, let me know. I'll be very happy to answer them for you. I'm so happy to see all of you here, and it just feels very good that you all are so proactive, ambitious, you love to learn. I think we are heading towards an even more beautiful world. Have a good night.